Good morning, students. This is your math teacher Sunera, and this topic is for 6th class. In the previous video, we have done exercise 4.3 till sum number 3. Now we are moving towards our sum number 4, the next sum of this exercise. And here is the statement. It is on page number 77 of your books, maths books. And sum number 4, look at the statement. Using all three methods, find the HCF of 20, 25, 35 and 50. Out of three methods of finding HCF, you have done two in the previous video. Third we shall discuss now. Now first of all, you can find the HCF by two methods very easily by yourself. So let us discuss the methods which have we done earlier first. Then we will go to the third method, sum number 4. This is the prime factorization method. You have to make prime factors of all the given numbers, that is 20, 25, 35 and 50. Now write the prime factors like this. 20 factor are 2, 2 and 5. 25 factors are 5 and 5. 35 is 5 and 7. And factor of 50 is 5 multiply 2 multiply 5. Now in observing all the factors, you can find out now common factors. CF, that stand for common factors. Common factors are just 5. Only 5 is common in all the numbers. So common factor is 5 and highest obviously it will be 5. Now come to the second method that you have also done in the previous video. Just have a look at this division method. There are 4 numbers. We are given with 4 numbers, so you will make pair of 2 numbers and you will find the HCF of 2 numbers first. Then you will find the HCF of both the results. I am finding the HCF of first 20 and 25. I got 5 as HCF, and now HCF of 35 and 50 is 5. I get 5 answer in both the cases, in both the pairs. Now HCF of 5 and 5 is again 5. So our final answer, the HCF of all the 4 given numbers is 5. This was division method. Repeated division, this is called. Now the common factor method. This is the third method that you have not done. Common factor. I have written here the factors of, let us take all the factors of given numbers. Factors of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 20. You have to see 20 lies in which tables. In which tables, the name of the tables, the number of the tables in which 20 lies. That is 1, 20 lie in one table, 2, then 4, then 5, then 20. किस टेबल में 20 आता है, आपने वो सारे नंबर यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. नेक्स्ट इज फैक्टर्स ऑफ 25. 25 किस टेबल में आता है, 1, 5, 25. फैक्टर्स ऑफ 35, 1, 5, 7, 35. फैक्टर्स ऑफ 50 आर 1, 2, 5, 10 and 50. After writing these factors, you have to highlight common factors. Now common factors are 1 and 5. Common factors are 1 and 5, and obviously the highest will be 5. The highest common factor is 5 in this. So you can see in all the methods when the numbers are same, all the methods when numbers are same, we are finding the HCF by different methods. Answer will remain same. It will not gonna affect the answer. If you use any method, the answer will come same. Let's move toward the next sum, that is sum number 5. Find the greatest number that divide 306, 450 and 540 completely. Sum number 5. Greatest number, that means you have to find HCF. If there is written least number, then you will find LCM. Now they are talking about the greatest number that will divide. A greatest number that divides some numbers is called HCF of those numbers. So you will be finding the HCF of all 3 numbers. Let us take any 2 number first. I have taken here 306 and 450. And by long division method, the HCF is 18. 306 and 450, the HCF is 18. Now our third number. Now divide 18 by the third number, that is HCF of 540 and 18. And you will get finally answer, that is 18. HCF of all the numbers is 18. Now come to the question number 6. That is, first look at the statement first. That is, find the greatest number that will divide 132, 242 and 382, leaving a remainder 2 in each case. When we are finding the HCF, we find the number that exactly divide. जब हम डिवाइड कर HCF फाइंड करें तो हम क्या फाइंड करते हैं कि नंबर, ऐसा नंबर जो सभी को exactly डिवाइड करे. but here they are saying that you have to find HCF, but it will leave remainder 2 in each case. That means 2 is extra in all these number. The number 2 is exactly more. In this case you have to subtract 2 in from each of the number, that is 132, 242, 382. So I am subtracting 2, that will be the remainder. In each case they have given, so I have subtracted 2 from each number. Then I will find the HCF by division method, or you can use any method for solving this sum. Here I have preferred the division method of finding HCF. HCF of 380 and 130, I got 10. Then divide 10 by third number, that is 10 and 240. The HCF will be 10. Question number 7. Find the greatest number that will divide 95, 114 and 129, leaving remainder 5, 4, 3 respectively. Now they have given respectively means the 5 will be remainder from the first number, that is 95. The 4 will be remainder from the second number, that is 114, and 129 there will be 3 remainder. So we will subtract accordingly, because these will be remainders when we will be dividing. So first of all subtract these numbers respectively from 95, 114, 129. That means in the series they are given. So after finding I got numbers 90, 110, 126. Now take any two numbers and find the HCF. I have taken here 126 and 110. So HCF will be HCF will be 2. By taking any two numbers you will get here HCF 2. Now again find HCF of 2 and the third number which is left is 90. You will get the answer 2. So if you have any problem in these sums, you can ask, you can call me freely. Thanks to all.